Why not live with the drive to aspire? My ambition is flawless. It's as gorgeous as this Porsche is, but this is about this Benz, you dig? Pass me the lighter, Rose. I need a J.
Maybach music.
I appreciate the opportunity. Something special, my nigga.
600 Benz, house 600 grand. Hell was 6 years ago. Whips come from Japan. I get that work on my face. I get that work on my face. Hey.
Boy, 600 Benz, condo 600 grand. I got 1,200 kicks, them bitches straight from Japan. My ambition is wicked, I put that shit on my hand.
I get that work on my face.
I put that shit on my man, boy. Wale, real niggas wear the toter blowing bomb haze. I just tell CJ keep on rolling, that's my shorty. Send it out, you ain't seeing through. All black, everything, this shit like a HBCU. Maybach music, major moves, bitch, I'm saving major loot. I make my old bitches buy me all the latest shoes. One whip just ain't enough, I just ain't 33. You only half a W without a second V. Gotta be dreaming, bitch, I gotta be chosen. Shawty when I was 20, I had a Camry and tokens, but now I'm okay. Bitch, I got my shit together. Rose told me keep on working, shawty, you'll be rich forever, ever. Forever my endeavors, and I sever my opponents, bitch, I'm cold like it's in Denver. The dilemma is, you think I got no conscience, you think I'm just here flossing on all shit about car shit.
600 Benz, house 600 grand. Hell was 6 years ago. Whips come from Japan. I get that work on my face. I get that work on my face. Hey.
Boy, 600 Benz, condo 600 grand. I got 1,200 kicks, them bitches straight from Japan. My ambition is wicked, I put that shit on my head.